Hi children, today we are going to do gender. Masculine gender, feminine gender. Okay? When you say daddy, what gender? Masculine. When you say mommy, feminine gender. So we're going to look at gender in general, and it is a very interesting exercise. You already know, but we are going to just look at the pictures and learn a little more about gender. Shall we look at our first picture? Yes. Look what we have here. We have two people here. Who are they? Yes, all smiling. Okay? What will be the first one? We are doing masculine gender, feminine gender. Man, woman. That is a man, isn't it? Our uncle is a man. Aunt. Aunt is a woman. Mother is a woman. So here you have man, masculine, woman, feminine. Okay? Man, woman. We're doing two genders. At home we have man, woman. Who's that man? Daddy. Woman, mommy. Okay, let's look at our next picture. You already know this, but it's a nice practice for you to identify genders. Here, look. Who are these? You have this at home, your little sister, brother, and what we write here? Boy, girl. The brother is a boy, and you are a girl. Boy, masculine gender. Girl, feminine gender. Very good. Boy, girl. Very good. And looking at the picture, you are able to say which is masculine, feminine. Very good. Let's look at the next picture. Lovely, isn't it? Look at this beautiful picture. Who are they? King. Very good. King, queen. How do you know they're king and queen? Look at the crown on the head. King, masculine gender. Queen, feminine gender. King, queen. Yes. Are you enjoying this exercise? Look at the king's crown. Look at the queen. How beautiful she looks. King, masculine gender. Queen, feminine gender. Good. Let's look at our next colorful, beautiful picture. Identify the gender. Look. With this, you have at home dad's father or mother, mommy's father. Who is that? Grandfather. Very good. Dad's mommy or mommy's mommy. Grandmother. Very good. Now grandfather, masculine gender. Grandmother, feminine gender. Grandfather, masculine gender. Grandmother, feminine gender. You love your grandpa and grandma? Yes. Very good. Lovely picture, isn't it? Let's go on to another. Look what you have here. Who are they? Father, your daddy, masculine gender, father. Mummy, mother, feminine gender. So father, masculine gender, mother, feminine gender. Father, mother. Very good. I hope you're enjoying this. The genders are very, very interesting. Look, isn't it lovely, the pictures, father, mother? Let's go on. Learn more pictures. Take more pictures. Look at the gender. Who is this? You have two pictures. I'm sure you love this. Mickey. Yes, you love Mickey. Masculine gender, Mickey. And here, Minnie. Good. So, Mickey is masculine. Minnie Mouse is feminine gender. You're enjoying? Lovely picture, isn't it? Mickey and Minnie. Lovely. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. What do we have here? Here you have a colorful peacock and peahen. Okay? Peacock is masculine. Peahen is feminine. Peacock. Look at the feathers. Peacock always has beautiful feathers. Peahen. It's a little smaller and little dull. Peacock, peahen. Good. Now let's go on to a new picture. Who is this? Cock, hen. So, cock always has a lovely, colorful, long feathers. Hen, short. Brown hen, a little brown hen. Cock, masculine. Hen, feminine. Cock, hen. Are they looking lovely? Yes, lovely picture. Cock, hen. Let's look at a new picture and learn more masculine and feminine. Here, what do we have? Masculine, feminine. This is deer. Deer is masculine, doe, feminine. Yes, D-O-E, doe. It's a feminine gender. Here, this is masculine. Deer, masculine, doe, feminine gender. Good. Lovely, isn't it? Now look at this. Here you have lion. Yes, this is a beautiful masculine lion. You like lion? Look at the face. Lovely picture. And the feminine lioness. Very good. Lion, masculine. Lioness, feminine. The lion looks really colorful with his mane over him. Lion, masculine. Lioness, feminine. Let's look at more pictures and learn the masculine and feminine genders. Here you have horse. This is a horse. Horse is masculine and the feminine is mare. Horse, masculine, feminine, mare. Okay? Horse, mare. Masculine, feminine. Good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Horse, mare. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Here you have a tiger. Masculine gender. Masculine, tiger. Feminine, good, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Masculine gender, tiger. Feminine gender, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Okay? Good.